talk about why rakeback is important. You might be asking yourself, I know what rakeback is, but what's so important about it? Well, since sites take the rake automatically, many people don't even know they're being charged. What most players don't realize is how much of an effect the rake has on their play. Not only must you beat the other players at the table, you must beat the rake as well. A player who would win money if there were no rake ends up being a losing player after factoring in the house fee. The truth is, about 50% of all players fit into this category. When you introduce rakeback into the equation, many players who were once losers are instantly transformed into profitable winning poker players. If you are already winning, rakeback will be a nice fat bonus every month. Well, you ask yourself, how much can I make from rakeback? Well, since the amount of rakeback you get paid is a percentage of the money the house charged you in rake, the stakes you play and the number of hands affect the size of your payment. For instance, a casual low-limit player can make a few hundred extra dollars a month, while a pro, or any high-level player, can make $3,000 plus a month. As you can clearly see, signing up for a site directly without getting rakeback is just a huge mistake. In fact, getting rakeback is probably the most important lesson a poker player can learn. If you don't have it, you're leaving tons of money on the table every month. And a poker player must learn to optimize his profits. And if you're without rakeback, once again, you're making a huge mistake. If you're interested in getting some of the best rates, or actually the best rates in poker, PayingRake.com offers the highest available percentages to you, the player. We're going to take a look at the website here. As you'll notice, Cake Poker 30%, Full Tilt Poker 27%, Poker Nordica 30%, True Poker 27%, Ultimate Bet 30%, Absolute Poker 30%, Inner Poker 30%, Poker Heaven 30%, Fat Bet Poker 50%, Paradise Poker 30%, Red Star Poker 33%, Poker Kings 30%, PKR Poker 30%, Players Only 33%, Poker Forever 35%, Action Poker 35%, Carbon Poker 30%, Minted Poker 46%, Betfair 30%, Virgin Poker 30%, and Bodog 25%. PayingRake.com is offering the, once again, highest available percentage you can possibly get. Their customer service is unbelievable. It's quick. The payouts are good. As you'll notice, if you check out their homepage, PayingRake.com, you'll notice all the different rakeback offers. And we're also right now running some races. And that's for the month of February, so you may want to go ahead and get signed up. There's some big cash prizes to give away at Ultimate Bet, Absolute Poker, Cake Poker, and Full Tilt Poker. So once again, check out PayingRake.com, and you need to start earning rakeback today. If you are not, you are missing out huge. And thanks again, and remember to visit PayingRake.com.